Please like and subscribe. Follow as well. The first half goes to the Red Stallions. They're out of the first points of the game. Ocampo, ball fake. The palm fake. Pinasakay pa. Basket will count. May atake. From to the basket. That is good for him. Ronaldo takes it. Yeah. Ulas takes it. Good press defense by Ocampo. Avila fires. Macaraig takes it. Naku, puro tatlo. Santo ang natira. Easy basket. Runner. Yes, rattles in. Latak. Head and shoulder fakes. Uy, the scoop. The step through Ibaka. Then force the Latak. Ocampo, the bulldozer. Yes. 50 seconds. Avila. Yao. Roque. Bang, bang. Hirap ang pigilan yan. Napakabilis to Avila. Ayun. Shoot there. Avila. Steps up. There's Ilalim. Here's Avila now. Avila attacking the defense of the Luna. Avila inside to Di Macali. Dala itong 26. Di Macali again, wide open. Pass it, Ocampo. Ocampo. Mahirap siyempuhan nyo. Slow mo. Scotty. Layup. Too strong? Yes. Eto pa, double toss ulit. Naman, ganda ng atake. Balikan Bernardo. Nice comeback from Avila. 36-30. Pagtoto, fires! Bang! 3! Tabu? No? Di Macali said to hit. Latak, ayun na naman yung kanyang patented move. Scotty, advancing, nice pass inside to Mr. Pascal. Latak, back to De Luna. Latak, grabe yung grip nila sa basketball. Latak. Nice pass inside. Ayun, may kasamang foul ulit yan. Okay. Bahanap ng puntos itong 0-2 Stallions. Double can start it here. Magtoto, babawi. Another 3. Takes lahat, pwede magdala ng bola. Even yung kanila mga big men. Rason, no. Rebound, Ocampo. Napaka. De Luna, lalagpasan si Yao. De Luna, patay ni Gondaleo. Yes, Cruz fires 3. That is Dabu. Broken pace for the Stallions. Unfortunate. Yao is alone. De Luna bouncing into that back. Laka powers this way. That's on. OMG, what a move and what a shot. Umblas atake, Umblas strong to the basket. Wide open is Razon. Bombs away. Bang! Attacking. Yan, mahirap pigilan. Masyado malaki for De Luna. Rebound Umblas. Kick out, Bernardo. The spin. Half spin. Kobe Galawan. Nice move. Avila. Step back 3. No. Di Macali offensive rebound. Di Macali power move. Yes. I-bench to Mr. De Luna. Ada ko bagsak sa Di Macali. No, kontra isa. Avila. To Bernardo. Dabu. Avila. Dabu. Bernardo. Nice pass inside. Down. Magtoto. Magtoto fires. Tira ng tumira. Pero into. Dabu. Fires. 3. On the other side, Bernardo for 3. Yeah! Too strong. Hindi nila makakuha yung laman. On that close basket. Ocampo. And a step through. Tawag na take foul. Bang! 3. Humlas almost losing the letter. Nice pass to Di Macali. Lamang si Bustos. Yes, he gets the space ahead. Agaw, Humlas. Now another 2-on-1. What will Del Luna do? Wow, what a play by Yagna. Del Luna. Magtoto. Bang! Three.
Ang bilis naman, Del Luna. The spin. Paglaban. Oh.
Avila blocks. Blocked by Del Luna in this